Welcome to Grand Maple Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, we need a room for tonight.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Our travel plans changed unexpectedly. We were supposed to stay with a friend tonight, but she had to leave the city for an emergency.
I understand. Please give me a moment. Let me check our available rooms.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, we only have one room left.
Only one room?
Yes, it's our last available room. The hotel is almost full tonight.
That's okay. We'll take it. Wait, what kind of room is it?
It's a standard room with one large bed.
One room, one bed?
I'm very sorry. Because of the holiday weekend, all our other rooms are occupied.
I guess we don't have many choices.
Wonderful. May I have your name, please?
Maya Johnson.
Thank you. May I see your ID?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. The room costs $180 for one night. Breakfast is included.
Sounds good.
Could you sign here, please?
No problem.
Perfect. Here is your key card, room 512. The elevator is over there. If you need anything, dial 7.
Thank you.
Let's go, Maya.
Wow, this room is smaller than I expected.
It's not that bad.
Look at this. Our suitcases are taking up half the room.
Come on, we'll only be here one night.
You're always positive.
And you're always worried.
That's true.
I'm going to take a shower.
Okay, I'll order dinner.
Reception. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order dinner.
Certainly. What would you like?
1 chicken soup, 1 grilled fish, and 2 apple pies.
No problem. Your food will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Maya?
The air conditioner doesn't feel very cold. Maybe it just needs time.
I hope so. It's very warm in here.
Room service.
Come in.
Good evening. Here is your dinner.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Let's eat. Wait, this isn't grilled fish.
You're right. It's beef.
We didn't order beef.
Oh no.
Call reception.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it.
Reception. How may I help you?
Excuse me? I think there is a problem with our order.
What seems to be the problem?
We ordered grilled fish, but we received beef.
I apologize for the mistake. We'll replace it immediately.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I was nervous, but you did well. Thanks. Maya, try the shower. Why? The water isn't hot. What? You're kidding. No? Go check. Oh, dear.
Reception. How may I help you?
Excuse me, the hot water isn't working.
I'm very sorry. I'll send a technician right away.
Thank you.
Again, we apologize.
That's our second complaint tonight. At least they're trying to help. You're right. The receptionist has been very polite.
The fish is here.
Finally, let's eat. Wow, this is delicious.
Much better than the beef.
Definitely.
Sarah, do you hear that?
Hear what?
The music.
Oh, it's coming from another room.
It's really loud.
Maybe they'll stop soon.
30 minutes later, they're still playing music.
Okay, now it's annoying.
Should I call again?
Yes.
I'm sorry to bother you again.
That's okay. What happened?
The room next to us is very noisy. We can't sleep.
I understand. I'll contact them immediately.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm getting better at making complaints. Polite complaints.
Exactly.
Good evening. This is reception. I'd like to apologize for the problems you experienced tonight.
Thank you.
To make up for the inconvenience, we'd like to upgrade you to a deluxe room.
Really?
Yes. A staff member will help you move your luggage.
Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Wow, this room is much nicer. Now that's what I call a hotel room. The bed is bigger. The room is quieter. And the hot water works. Perfect. Today we learned some useful English for making complaints at a hotel. What expressions did we learn today? Excuse me, there is a problem. Good. I think there is a mistake. Excellent. The hot water isn't working. Very useful. The room is very noisy. Great. Could you help me, please? That's a polite way to ask for help. These are polite and useful English expressions. What would you complain about first in this hotel? Write your answer in the comments. And if you're learning English with me, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.